Woohoo! Set up the job. Fingers crossed. Hello, I'm Mircea, and in today's video I will be your guide into the Rungutan's load testing jungle. Together with my friends from Rungutan, we want to present you how to integrate your performance testing into your CI/CD pipeline. If you think this video brings you any value or you want to be up to date with Rungutan's new features, please subscribe to our channel. Our value proposition is 3 minutes, performance testing, no bullshit. So let's hit the clock. We go on our website. We are on the Rungutan dashboard. We go to templates. Here on templates, we go to a test template. We copy it. After that, we go into the GitHub. We create a new file that is called test_file.json. We paste the test. After that, we commit the file. We go on Rungutan. We go on documentations. Here in documentations, we have integrations, and we have integrations with GitHub. One thing, if we go on the marketplace from GitHub, in marketplace you write Rungutan, you hit enter, and you have load test your platform with Rungutan. Here we have to define two things. First, the team ID, and second one, the API key. These two secrets will be defined in our platform. So we go here, we go to settings, we go to secrets. In secrets, we add firstly the team ID. The team ID, you can find it at the top here. Second secret that we have to add, it's the API key. And the API key, you take it here from the top. It will be copied directly if you're using Chrome. And you add the secret here. After that, we have to make the workflow. In the workflow, we set a new workflow. Here, we go on the marketplace where we have the example. We copy everything. After we copy everything, we have to define one small detail that will be different from the one that it's in the marketplace, and that's when the test it will be run, and we have to define it to be at every commit in our team. So we delete this, we leave just to push when we trigger push on every branch. After that, we start the commit, we commit the new file. After that, we go into actions. Here we have the new file. We click load. Woohoo! Set up the job. Fingers crossed. Things are going successfully. The files are copied. And we have ignition. We go on a dashboard. And on our dashboard, as we have it here, we have the test. Here are the results. If you click here, we have the results for the test. If you have any other questions, you can subscribe them on the comments, or you can click here and you find the Rungutan chat and you can ask questions. Hopefully it was useful. And at the top, you can find the playlist with other useful tutorials. And don't forget to like and subscribe our video, and see you next time. I'm Mircea. Take care.